Today I'm just out here for a small park tour. Hello! Oh. So basically today's motive is just a quick walk outside to touch grass, and feel earthy again. Feel like I'm living on this earth. I'm on this beautiful green area, so I'm gonna try to do some reading to update my reading diary with you guys. I'm basically half on a reading block, so I'm not really updating my reading list that much since I have some books still to finish and I have to start other books. But while I'm here in the park, I'm gonna try to film some videos, some book haul TikToks, which you'll find very very soon on my page, so feel free to go check it out. And I really am loving this atmosphere because the outfit is giving and it's really quiet out here. I'm just sitting, touching grass, literally touching grass, and trying to reflect. So maybe this evening I will try to do a reading live with my small club on Discord, club of friends. So maybe that will stimulate me to start and continue with the reading. It also has been a hectic couple of weeks, so maybe that's why I am feeling this type of way. Failed attempt to read. So this is me giving up literally after 3 seconds, and yeah, let's go. I'm going back from my walk, my evening walk, and I really am entering my booktube era, as you see, because now the books that are in my bag are matching my outfit. So yeah, this is what my mind and my train of thought makes me do. I'm choosing books mainly because it was matching my fit. I'm up to something. I'm actually feeling great but tired, so I'm gonna head home and yeah.